Hey, good morning, darling. I've been doing some work in my front yard, and I couldn't help but notice you've been on the side of the road for a while now. Well, I was wondering if you needed some help, maybe? No, it's no trouble at all. I've got nowhere to be, it's fine. Yeah, just, pop the hood and I'll have a little look-sees. That sure is a lot of smoke. Yeah. Those hoses should not be like that. Looks like they need replacing. That must be why the engine overheated. Nah, you don't need no tow truck. I've got an old car in my garage. I can pull the hoses out of that one and replace them. It's fine. I don't drive it anymore. Just, give me a minute. I'll grab my tools and the hoses. Just you wait here, darling. Alright. This shouldn't take too long. So, what brought a good looker like you into town? Passing through. May I ask where you're heading? Yeah, I've been there a couple times since my sister lives there. I tend to mostly just stay here. Nice and quiet, good neighbors. Well, I used to travel a lot for my job, but that burned me out faster than the heat could. Now I work at the corner shop a couple streets from here. Sure, it can get a bit lonely at times, but that's what I have you for, darling, eh? You look cute when you blush. The city life just becomes too much for me. A town like this is perfect for me. Not deserted, but not overloaded either. And if I ever need to do a big shopping trip or something, then the next city isn't too far away. No, I'm doing fine. Couple screws of being stubborn, but nothing I can't handle. No, never was a mechanic. I just used to wrench on a lot of cars with my mama. She loves her cars. Owned a bunch of them over the years. Anything from the classics to the newest. Oh, sorry. If I'm rambling a bit too much about myself there. Jeez, you're gonna make me blush saying things like that. But, thank you. I appreciate it. Alright. The hoses are in. All you have to do now is just wait a bit for things to cool down some more. You're, not on a tight schedule, right? That's good then. Oh, no. I won't accept no payment for that. I don't mind helping you, and it wasn't hard either. Just make sure to visit an actual mechanic, just to check that nothing else went wrong, okay? Nope, you can put that money away. Say, for how long are you in the city? And, are you doing anything else after? Then maybe, if you have time on the trip back, you can pay me a visit. Oh, you're mighty cute and a pleasure to talk to. Yeah, of course. Don't look so surprised. You're a keeper if I ever saw one. You'd be foolish not to shoot my shot. Give me your phone so I can type in my number. There you go. How about you start her up now? Alright, that sounds good to me. I'll let you go on your way then. It's been a pleasure talking to you, darling. No need to thank me. I'll gladly help where I can. I'll be waiting for your call. Who knows, maybe I'll call you first. Either way, can't wait to get to know you better. Take care. Happy travels. Have a good day, darling. Guess it's back to yard work. If I can concentrate on it now.